Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. In this video, I'm going to tell you about IELTS reading module, especially academic reading. And if you are worried about academic reading, this video is exactly for you, okay? And before I continue, I'm curious, I want to know your nationality. So please comment this video and mention your nationality. I just want to see where you guys are. And second, you can also type in your destination country. For example, Asad from Pakistan wants to go to UK. Okay, something like that. So I'll read your comment and I'm gonna like it as well, and I'll love it as well. As far as academic IELTS reading is concerned, it is actually the pain in the neck for many IELTS candidates. They can get by with other three modules, but reading is the one that is really a serious issue. So first of all, let me tell you, in all three passages in academic IELTS reading, there are questions which are called sentence completion, summary completion, one word only, one word and or a number, and all that. So whenever you start a passage, there are three passages, try to start with one word only. Why? Number one word only is the simplest and easiest question type. Number two, with one word only, questions and their answers in the passage, they are in order. Once you find one answer, you read on, you find next answer, you read on, you find next answer. Okay, now how to do it? Step number one, read the first question, find the clue word, and that clue word will be before or after the blank. Now scan the passage and look for specific information, and when you scan, you do not read. Your eyes move around and you see where specific piece of information is. Once you realize that this piece of information is in the third paragraph, once again refresh the question. Then what is written before the question and after the question, that is going to help you. Read that very sentence, find the answer, and then go to the next question, and you're going to find all the answers in a sequence. Over here, when you are searching for the answer, first question may take time, but once you found the answer to that first question, then second, third, fourth, fifth, they are in a series, and you will find all the answers without any problem. After this, the second important question type which you should attend first, or which you should attempt first, is true, false, not given, or yes, no, not given. Let me tell you, for these two question types, you only have to read a sentence or a couple of sentences and you can easily find the answer. There is no more reading involved into it. So what is the difference between true, false, and not given? If I say some people go to England. Now when I say some people go to England, this is the question statement. And in the passage, if they say few people go to England or 25% people go to England, so that makes it some people, right? And if they say most of the people go to England, in the passage, question says some people go to England, passage says most of the people go to England, answer is false. And if they don't mention the number, if they don't mention the amount or number of people who go to England, whether most people, some people, right, if they don't mention anything, then the answer is going to be not given. Now how to deal with reading true, false, not given? Step number one, read the question. And when you read the question, you need to identify. In my example, the word some decided the answer. Some, right? Sometimes they have more than, less than, sometimes majority, minority. So you need to identify a word or a phrase in true, false, not given question, which is going to decide on the answer, whether the answer is going to be true, false, or not given. Once you've read the question, identified the phrase or a word which is going to determine whether that statement is true, false, or not given, now you can go to the passage, scan the passage and look for relevant information. And the good news is, in true, false, not given also, questions and their answers, they are in order. For example, If you found one answer in second paragraph, okay, now you need to read on and you will find the next answer. Then you need to read on. It is also possible that you find all 5 answers in one paragraph, or maybe you find 3 answers in one paragraph and 2 answers in last paragraph, but they are going to be in sequence. Okay, so these sequential questions and their answers, I call them type A questions, and you can just do that. Okay, so true, false, not given. Now what is the difference between false and not given? False is information contradicts. For example, if I say majority of people, in the passage they say minority, in the question they say majority, answer is false. In the passage they say majority, in the question they say most of the people, answer is true. And if they do not mention whether majority or minority, then answer is going to be not given. If you find reading difficult, we have a digital book on IELTS reading on our website asadyaqub.com, and this digital book is available for academic IELTS as well as for general training IELTS. Okay, so if you really find reading a hard nut to crack but you want to crack it, this digital book is going to help you. My web address is www.asadyaqub.com, and there you can see this digital book, and this book is going to help you sort out all the problems related to reading. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world, and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan, we offer IELTS test booking service. We have books on IELTS writing and speaking. So if you want to get any help on IELTS, you can visit our website and you will see that your problems are going to be resolved there. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.